All right, Intel presents Dentsu IWM Buzz India Gaming Awards Season 3 is on fire, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, we have with us right now over here Mizo. What a spectacular award. And of course, she's looking breath for your beautiful look as well as as well as for your skills as a gamer. How do you balance the compliments? वो दोनों ही तो आते रहते हैं आपके पास हमेशा.
हाँ आते तो है काफी
मजा आता है जरूर.
अभी आदत हो गई है
अभी आदत हो गई है. Okay, fair enough. Please let me know that, what do you have to say regarding something like the India Gaming Awards? This is the third season right now. With every year, it keeps getting bigger and better. What do you have to say about this particular Intel Presents Dentsu
I've only been to this award twice, last year and this year.
Awards Season 3 right now? You've been there the previous year. This is the second time you're attending. तो मैं ऐसे आपको पूछ सकता हूँ कि आइडेंटिकली हिंट ले लूँ कि अगले साल जब वो और बड़ा होने वाला है अवार्ड शो, आप तब जरूर और अच्छे तरीके से आने वाले हो. वो मैं presence
Obviously, I mean, if I feel like I'm deserving of the award, like this year I had a feeling I would win at least stylish. So I came all styled and glammed up. But next year, definitely I'll bring the same A game.
वो पूरा जस्टिफाई हो भी रहा है, बट मैनिफेस्ट किया था कि नहीं ये चीज़?
मैनिफेस्ट तो मैंने एक्चुअली एक साल पहले मेरी स्ट्रीम पे किया कि अभी स्टाइलिश वाला मिल गया है तो गेमिंग से रिलेटेड चाहिए क्योंकि माय फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी इज ऑलवेज गेमिंग एंड आई हैव बीन स्ट्रीमिंग फॉर लाइक सिंस आई वाज 18 years old, so now I'm 23 and I finally have an award related to it, so I'm very happy.
How nice is that? How, all about the hard work that you've been putting. Quick questions. What would you advise young gamers in college who are competing in grassy sports via IPs like College Rivals by Amverse DMI?
I'd say that these opportunities just keep getting better. The prize pool keeps up getting more like, better and better with every year. And I see gaming industry to become a very big industry in the next 2 years, I feel. So I'd suggest that please keep grinding and keep participating in such esports events and you will definitely earn a big buck. Definitely. And it is a very safe choice for a career. Like, I couldn't have said this 2 years ago, but now I feel like being a gaming esports professional or a content creator, it's a very safe and a good career option. So you guys should definitely work hard in this career and keep your studies also. ऐसा नहीं है कि पढ़ाई छोड़ दो.
वो डगमगाना नहीं चाहिए.
But if this is your dream, then do follow it.
Absolutely. And this statement itself proves the fact how much gaming has grown, right? How wonderful. Brands in gaming are apt when it comes to reaching out to the younger target group. Do you feel that the industry needs more marketing companies like Amverse DMI?
Yes, please. We need more marketing agencies, companies, more sponsors. We need all the support that we can get.
No problem, no problem.
No problem, okay. Yeah, so, I'm hoping for more sponsorships in the future. And जितने sponsorship आएगी उतने gaming industry बढ़ेगी, उतने content creators and esports players participate करना चाहेंगे इस सब में. So, yes.
Okay. Now, quick questions. What has been your cutest fan moment till now?
Cutest fan moment.
कोई आके गुलाब दे के गया हो या ऐसा कुछ हुआ होगा?
See, it wasn't cute, but it was very traumatic. A fan of mine got my face tattooed on his chest, yeah. So I don't know if it's cute, but that's like the most
We don't
meaningful.
know what we can call that, but then ऐसे मत
Without
कर.
my consent, okay? I would have never consented with that.
Absolutely, most important point. Glad you clarify that. Okay. Yes. Would you like to say that? बहुत पहले बताओ.
Lie, I mean, नहीं, अब तक तो नहीं. I was thinking age का कुछ बोला है क्या, but नहीं. 23,
Okay.
कि मैं और एक award जीत जाऊँ.
अगले साल आपने बता दिया 2-3 awards आ रहे हैं पक्का. Okay. Who are your role models and idols outside the gaming fraternity?
Outside gaming तो यार gamers ही है mostly.
What is your take on virtual reality and AI in gaming?
Okay, so a lot of you guys don't know, but last year I was doing a lot of VR streams and it was the best thing ever. So I love VR gaming and VR in general. Metaverse आने वाला है, so yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
Okay. Do you prefer PC, console, mobile gaming? What is your choice?
You put me on the spot. See, listen, gaming. I'm so sorry, but I've been a console gamer for like starting में मेरी career के, and I'm just connected to playing on a PS.
Emotional touch है वहाँ पे. Many congratulations for the award once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. ये popular nomination था तो आपके votes की वजह से हुआ. So thank you so much.
Keep showering her with all the love. Thank you.